My name is Jerad Langille. I'm a chartered accountant with a practice in Comox. I've been in the Valley for about 15 years, and in 2013 I opened my own business. There are a couple of things about the way that I practice accounting that I think set me apart. The first is that I have spent more than 10 years as part of an actual business enterprise, which means that I've seen the questions that people are asking me from their perspective, and that gives me the ability to have a little bit more insight as to what the meaning is behind some of the questions and give me some perspective on exactly how to answer the questions to give my clients the useful answers that they're looking for. The second thing is how I run my practice as a business. When I first started, the clients that were coming to me were telling me that coming to visit the accountant was typically a very stressful experience for them. They knew that they were going to have to pay money, and they knew they were going to have to pay some to the accountant and some to the tax department, but they didn't know how much. So I devised two strategies to help alleviate that stress. The first was to work with a flat rate pricing, which means that when you and I sit down to do business together, we've already established what your bill is going to be at the end of our work. This means that there's no surprise and there's no stress around that. The other is the tax department, and they're a little bit less controllable. But what I do with my clients is sit down, figure out what their situation is, and not just their business situation, but their personal situation as well. And then sit down, talk to them about the different approaches, and let them pick which one suits them best. This way, when the taxes are all done and it's time to sign the returns and file them, they already know how much tax that they're going to be paying. This is the way that I help to alleviate the stress and remove that anxiety from this part of the business process.